happened to have my camera with me, so the other video, remember that car. I think this is from a Halloween party. It's a fun job for the day. Very good parts of it. back here. This is probably, I'd say, 2 months after the mini videos, or 4 or 5 weeks anyway. So what I'm doing is in my spare time, instead of working on the Transit, I bought this '09 Fiesta. Just a small bit of damage in the front. You'll be able to see that. Yeah. And I didn't bother doing videos on that because I didn't have time to do, because it takes a lot of time. It just needed it was nearly bolt-on stuff, and I got everything that was blue, the body panels, when I bought it. I bought a new face and I was lucky enough to get blue, but in shipping this got damaged a bit, and the 2 corners where the bumper hit got damaged, and this car, it's a big scrape here. So I'll be doing one of the videos I'll be doing is colour on this, just doing the body work there, the primer and the paint. But I just finished this car today. I was sticking it back together and I was just bringing it out to wash it, bring it up to the other garage, and filled it up with water, and water pissing out of it, and it's pissing out of the water pump. And I was going to send it up to another garage to get a time belt done on it once I had this done, but I didn't know where it was coming out of. So then when I started looking, I have it stripped to here, so I have that coming tomorrow. I know it's already there, I just need to fucking pick it up. I just have to find that out there now about this. So I just thought I'd make a video of I know the tool for this. I don't have a special tool or whatever, so I'm just going to make up my own one. It won't be in this video. This video, now I'm talking, will probably be stuck on to picking them cars up the last day. That's just kind of a quick update where I am on this, just for Darren, who's probably watching this one. Where the fuck am I, dead or what? I'll leave it there now. I'm just going to make up that tool, then I'm done for the day. I'll pick that up tomorrow.